Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of our surprisingly easy, delicious discovery right here with Cook Easy with Glad. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a very simple but impressive dish. It's called the beef and mushroom casserole. So to make things more enjoyable and easier to prepare, syempre we'll be using the latest innovation from Glad, which is the Glad non-stick aluminum foil. So I need my Glad freezer zipper bag. Put beef inside, and then add some flour, season it with salt and pepper. Okay, and then we need to seal this. Make sure that the yellow and blue strips are well pressed together para maging creamy. So it means it's well sealed. And then you can now start kneading your meat. This is the best way to marinate your meat kasi it actually cuts your marination into half. So we need to heat our pan. And then if you need to marinate some items ahead of time, this is the perfect bag kasi you can actually write the name of the meat and then date of kung kailan mo siya ginawa, and then just pop it in the freezer and then just pull it out kung kailan mo siya kailangan. So we need some olive oil. What we're doing now is we'll be searing the beef. When we say sear, it's actually browning all sides over high heat ng meat, pwedeng chicken, pwedeng beef, pwedeng pork, to seal in the juices inside the chunks of meat. And then the technique for searing your meats is, number 1, the pan and oil should be very hot, and number 2, never overcrowd your pan. So we do this in 2 batches. And then, yung mga na-sear na beef, you need to take it out. Then make sure all sides of the meat are well seared para hindi masayang yung juices. Using the same pan, kasayang syempre yung all the flavors of the beef na dito lahat. If you need to add more oil, just add a little bit more olive oil, and then we saute our garlic. And then some onions. And then have a sprig of fresh rosemary. If you can't find one, you can use the dried rosemary, but yung measurement niya should be parang half lang kasi mas intense yung flavor niya since concentrated dahil dried na siya. So when do you know when to stop sauteing? Look at your onions pag medyo nagiging translucent na siya. And then we can now put back our seared beef. And then, I have my red wine. So you have your wine, then you add in your water or beef stock. And then your carrots. And then I have 3 kinds of mushrooms here. I have my fresh shiitake mushrooms, fresh button mushrooms, and my fresh oyster mushrooms. Kung wala kang makita to, canned mushrooms is okay, but ako I prefer fresh mushrooms kasi mas intense yung flavor. And then I also have my bell peppers. So we need to bring this to a quick boil and then lower your heat. And of course, we need our non-stick aluminum foil. So when you're using your non-stick aluminum foil, make sure that the dull side is touching the food. So we need to seal this. And then the reason why we're doing this is that when we pop this in the oven, this will give like a pressurizing effect on the food. So yung steam niya makukulong sa loob. It's like having a Dutch oven. So lumalambot yung beef, pero hindi siya nagiging mushy. As opposed to pag niluto mo siya stovetop, tendency is parang nasisira yung fiber. This one, maganda pa rin yung shape ng beef mo, pero very tender. So I have my preheated 325 degree Fahrenheit oven. Then we bake this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, pull it out of the oven. We add some butter. Heavy cream. And Parmesan cheese. And then just give it a quick stir and bake it again for another 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, your beef and mushroom casserole is ready. See, impressive and simple dishes like this are very easy to prepare, especially with Vlad. For more great ideas, you can visit us at vladkitchen.com or you can find us on Facebook. Enjoy!